Welcome guys. Hi guys. Hey guys, welcome back. Hi guys, welcome back to another video with SMG. Safe, you're all well, you are blessed, and that you are still remaining in somewhat shape or form in high spirits. It was important for me to put out videos to help support you and to ensure you that my team and I are here to support you in your legal disputes. So our first few episodes will be on employment disputes. Today we are going to discuss the difficult topic of dismissals. Dismissals are where an employer terminates a contract with an employee. Redundancies. Yes, there are going to be people where the employer have, made their employees redundant, and also where employees are requesting redundancy packages based on the current climate. So with that said, what is redundancy? Redundancy is where the employer closes the business or closes the workforce or even reduces the workforce to a minimum. So that's what a redundancy is. The issues lie where I come involved is where there are challenges as to whether there is fairness in that redundancy. And normally that entails whether the redundancy was done in a fair way, so the selection process, whether it is considered genuinely to be a redundancy. We're calling it a redundancy, but is it actually one based on the facts? And whether or not you were offered alternative employment in that redundancy. And I will come in to support you and the employer, to support the employee, to ensure that you come to an amicable understanding and a resolution where neither one of you have to end up going to court or any hearing at that matter. TUPE. TUPE basically stands for the Transfer of Undertakings Protection of Employment. It is when, because you're probably thinking, what is that? It is when your employer has now been taken over by another business, normally a business, or it could be merging with another business. So you're in between contracts. Does it mean I'm with my old employer where I've got a contract and with the new? Well, it's kind of both. It kind of is, but it's where the challenge really comes is where your employer dismisses you, the current one, or the new employer dismisses you on the basis of that transfer. You no longer can work here because we're working with a new company, we're going with a new field, and because of that, you're part of the old team, so you have to go. Or there's a connection between in which they dismiss you. That's where the challenges lie. And this is where I come in as a mediator, supporting both the employer and the employee to see whether or not we can continue your employment, and if not, how we can make that transition more smoothly, more amicably, so that you're not down the route of having to go to a hearing. And my job is to ensure that this is done in a fair and just way. Now, I'm here today to tell you that we are quarantine proof. From day one, when the business opened, we were able to work online. We do online mediation, we do consultations that are also online. So I'm here to support both the employer and the employee in this difficult climate where there are going to be a lot of, if you haven't already, or even been around friends or family that are facing such a difficult time where they are released from their jobs because of the climate that we are in now. So we are a quarantine proof from day one company. I'm proud to say that because it hasn't been, as with some companies, quite a challenging transition. It's been a smooth one because it's something we were always doing. If you are in a situation where you've been dismissed, an employer releases you from your job and you're an employee, then it is considered as a dismissal. And I'm here as a mediator to support you in ensuring that you end ties with your employer, or employer ends ties with the employee to ensure that they have an amicable situation and that they can move on. Because now with the courts being in a situation where they are open, but they're not having many, if at all, face-to-face hearings, mediation is a time where you can resolve this quickly, effectively, private and confidentially. So if you know of anyone that's in this situation, like, share, send them this video, know that I'm here to help them, and know that it isn't the big all and end all, and that I can support them in a way in which they can move on and, you know, find something else that's going to suit them and end ties with their employer, or in other case, the employer to end ties with the employee, just, fair, reasonable, and in a way in which they both need. We offer free consultations for both employers and employees. Contact me, contact my team today. You can do that through phoning us. You can do that through going on the website and booking a consultation, so we can help you productively, fast, effectively, private and confidentially, how to resolve your dispute. Don't fear, because SMG is here, and we'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.